Looking to build a powerhouse PC with cutting-edge features? Stick around as we dive into the ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Hero motherboard, a top-tier choice for enthusiasts and gamers alike. The ROG Hero boasts a sleek modern design that seamlessly blends aesthetics with functionality. Its black PCB and polished metallic accents exude sophistication, while the integrated polymer lighting too adds a customizable RGB flare, enhancing any build's visual appeal. The ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, making it a versatile choice for various setups. Under the hood, this motherboard is engineered for performance. The robust power stage design delivers stable power, ideal for overclocking enthusiasts aiming to push their Intel Core Ultra processors to the limit. With support for DDR5 memory up to 9200 MTS, it ensures rapid data access and smooth multitasking. The inclusion of 3 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots caters to high-speed storage needs, facilitating faster load times and data transfers. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Hero. Equipped with Wi-Fi 7, it offers ultra-fast wireless networking, reducing latency during online gaming or streaming. Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports provide versatile connectivity options for high-speed data transfers and peripheral support. Additionally, the motherboard features both 5GB and 2.5GB Ethernet ports, ensuring reliable wired network connections. However, it's important to note that the premium features come with a higher price tag. As of December 2024, the ROG Hero is priced around $670, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious builders. In my experience, the ROG Hero offers a comprehensive suite of features that justify its cost for those seeking top-tier performance and future-proofing. If you're ready to elevate your PC build, check out the product links in the description below. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: premium price point, potential overkill for casual users. Pros: exceptional power delivery for overclocking, cutting-edge connectivity options, advanced AI features for optimized performance. If you're aiming for a high-performance build, the ASUS ROG Maximus Hero is a compelling choice. Don't forget to check the product links in the description, and if you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.